Ito matindi, Brad. Nakita ka na nito? Top lang ang baon. Oh, ingat boss. Ingat. Ingat boss. Grabe yun, let's go.
Fast lane out like a ghost, racking up the flame out.
And mga kapatid, it is a very beautiful evening dito sa Zamboanga. Nandito tayo sa may Caltex, kapatid. Time check, it is 11 o'clock. Brad, tingnan mo yung mga sasakyan dito. We got a BRZ, you know, yung ahas ng BRZ, brado. Swan neck wing, naka-Advan GT na rin, Brembo big disc brakes, di ba? BRZ, kondo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga coaching nandito ngayong gabi. Let's go. Mga kapatid, we got a Evo 9 Life Arc FK8, mga kapatid. And then we got a EG hatch, parang pan-drag race yan, brado. Diba? Tabas-tabas. We got a Drag D, you know, kapatid, Nissan pickup. And then, meron syempre, hindi pwede mawala, the EK sedans. Ayan, no, kapatid, oh. EK din, kapatid. Pogi, carbon fender, carbon hood. And then we got a Brio right here. Dalawa yan, mga kapatid. Saturday, tambay to, EG hatch. Biglaan, we got another EK dito na sedan. Kakatapos natin ng Evo, then nandito tayo ngayon. And ito yung mga tambay natin, mga bossing. Kaway tayo. Bossing, mga bossing, mga bossing. And then we got another EK dito. Bossing. We got another EK. Grabe, naka-ram horn, boss, ha? Grabe yun. And then we got a Honda Jazz. And dito sa part na to, another Honda Civic EK sedan. Ngayon mga kapatid, sa mamaya, bibidyohan natin. Doon daw tayo sa may ilaw. And may FD pala doon, no? Honda Civic FD. Punta tayo doon sa may spot kung saan maliwanag para lahat ng kotse ma-feature natin. Alright, boy, let's go! Kakatapos na ng Evo All-Star natin na biyahe. And Brad, sinundo tayo ng pinsan ni Tito Jetty from Jensen Auto Works. Brad, tingnan mo naman, tambay nights nila dito, kapatid. So starting off, we got a Honda Civic FD and a Honda Brio. After that, ito naman, kapatid, may Honda Civic EG hatchback. And then meron din Honda EK, bigote yan, kapatid. And another Honda Brio, Honda Civic EG hatchback, another Honda Civic EK, and then may Mirage dito, ayan o, kapatid. And then another Honda Civic EK. Grabe, inangat na yung makina, Brad, oh. Grabe naman yung makina niya na yan, sir. Ang linis ng engine, bro. Tapos pipicture natin yan, ikutan muna natin lahat. Honda Jazz. So punta na tayo sa left side, let's go. Navara pickup. And then ito, female lady driver, nag-o-auto sumiyari ng Toyota GR Hilux. Solid yan, bro. Civic FK8. Yan, oh. Honda Civic EK. Pogi, bro. And ito na yung Evo 9 naman natin. Solid din yan. RS, di ba? And then we also have another Honda Civic EK. Ito yung Honda Civic EG. And then the BRZ. Ito, kapatid, oh. Tapos naka-air to. And then after that, Honda Civic EK na red. Ikutan na natin yung mga kotse. This is gonna be detail by detail. So meron tayong Honda Civic EK hatchback dito. Meron siyang chin. Also the TEs, OZ Racing lug caps with the visors, Brad. Yan, makikutan natin. A walk around on each and every car dito sa Zamboanga ng Lumapag. Honda Civic EK. Guwapo, Brad. A Honda Civic EG hatchback, right? Carbon fiber, parang monster hood yan. Pogi, no? And then spoon side mirror, SSR rims, kapatid. Spoon side mirror. And then ito na, low max Takata seat belts. Steering wheel is Momo steering wheel. K-tune na shifter. May burnout box wala doon. So pan drag race with a roll cage. Cusco roll cage yan kapatid. Got the drag wings, carbon fiber na tailgate for the Honda Civic EG hatchback. Interior gutted out na. Lalo naman for drag racing purpose use only. EK carbon fiber hood kapatid. Carbon fiber chin. Apo brad. And then sa loob naka illness na bucket seat, Book Race TE na color blue, ducktail carbon fiber kapatid. Naman pogi. Honda Civic EK color white. On this side naman kapatid, we got a Mitsubishi Evolution 9 RS kapatid. Grabe naman yan. This is the racing spec of the Evo 9 na naka power steering pa rin yan brothers. Rims pogi, Marco, Mr. Marco. Big ass Brembo disc brakes, pogi, reed seats and Takata seat belt. Pogi, HKS insignia with the Evo wing, carbon fiber rear diffuser. Bravo, bro. HKS muffler. Pogi na paikot. Tapos ito yung carbon fiber na roof diffuser. Pogi ng Evo. Ito talaga yung trip natin. 9 and the 8. Aggressive talaga ng mukha niya, bro. Pogi. Honda Civic EK naman, on my favorite color, yung ash gray na carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fender, spoon rims. Pogi bro do. Stock seats sa loob, Momo steering wheel. Pogi bro. So ito yung mga kotse dito sa Zamboanga. So sana sa next car meet na mapuntahan natin dito na yun, di ba? Wapo bro, di ba? Honda Civic EK. Ganda ng interior, eh? Oh, yung Honda Civic natin, the Type R badge. Tapos yung LED for his signal lights. Advan rims, the Brembo disc brakes. Ano ba yan? Type R interior. Diba? And then gauge, dashboard. Yan na brad. Empire. You got the wing right there. Diba? Tapos yung tri-tip muffler, rear diffuser, na carbon fiber, red badge. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Honda Civic. Toyota GR Hilux. This is lady driven, lady owned, and also nag-autocross yung may-ari nito. Grabe, no? On a male-dominated sport, we got a female autocross driver. And after that, may drag D rin tayo dito, kapatid. Carbon fiber hood, drag diesel, ang klase yan. And then, Cosmic na rims wala, Raiden na wheels. And then, the side exit. Alam niya, pag nag-pops and bang yan, bro, malupit yan. VS Motorsport, Philippines represent, race all day, all night. Tailgate kapatid yan, no? Drag diesel. Diba yan, boy? Nissan Navara. Dito sa Zamboanga, ano yung pinaka-best sa culture ng Zamboanga pagdating sa kotse?
Honda Boys.
Honda Boys, di ba?
Yes.
Yun ang plain and simple, Honda Boys. Thank you, bossing.
Bossing,
Ano sa shoutout, bossing.
Shoutout sa'yo, boss.
Yeah, salamat, bossing. May dumating na hatch. Tingnan natin yung dalawang hatch na yun, ma'am. A Honda Civic SIR. Brad, tingnan mo yung makina. It is a B20 B18 head. Tapos naka-blocks na headers. Tapos eto ba, body club na strut bar. Sobrang linis ng engine bay, oh. Pero pang drag race, kapatid. Naka case performance na radiator hose with a big ass 3-row aluminum radiator hose, top fuel, na air filter tube, top fuel, and then carbon fiber fender, carbon fiber hood, naka-ram horn siya, carbon fiber din yung panel, backyard special na bumper with a TE37 K-Sport na rims, may B-cups ba, brother? Spoon side mirror, carbon fiber. Interior is Takata with a Recaro seats. Spoon, yabang, may pirma yung Brad. Pang burnout box, and then shifter niya, ito, center console, type R gauge. Wapo, Brad, no? Wala na rin laman yung loob. It is already gutted. Lexan na rear mirror. Tapos kapatid dyan, alam mo na, insane shop, so it holds a lot of power. Naka-rear carbon fiber door, drag wing carbon fiber, and then carbon fiber trunk. Pero wala na yung likod, wala na rin bumper. So it's a Honda Civic SIR, steady racing clutch. Wala na rin talaga yung loob, Brad. And as the driver told me, naka-Hondata to na box. Handa, billet. Red billet, aluminum. And then ito naman kapatid, Honda Civic EG. Ganda nung kulay niya, with a carbon fiber hood. Parang monster yung carbon fiber hood na, Fog lights, meron din, kapatid. It is on TE37s. Sa loob, wala na rin laman yung loob, kapatid. Floating headrest. Momo steering wheel, color blue yung horn button. And then, TE37s at the back. Plain and simple, parang drag race. Sleeper look yung itsura, Tawad mga kapatid.
Tukay ka, Dom.
Okay.
Shoutout, Boskin.
EG V16. Old motor, race car. Kapatid, carbon fiber hood. Gutted interior, as you can see kanina. Pogi. Autocross champion. Driver reveal ng Autocross champion. Ano pong pangalan natin, bossing?
Kim.
Boss Kim. Para sa'yo, ano yung kotse ng mga loyal?
Honda.
Yan! Wala nang iba. Engine. Garage queen to eh. Garage queen to. Hindi tayo nakasakay kanina. This is the engine of the Evo 9 RS, kapatid. Plain and simple. Garage queen, hindi na nagagamit gano. Bossing, pero dadalhin daw to kila Tito Jetty para maalagaan ng Jensen Auto Works, Evo 9 RS. Ganda. Ito matindi, Brad. Nakita ka na nito? Top lang ang bao. It is a stock engine, skunk 2 na strut bar, ganda, high tension wire, NGK, Samco hoses, air filter, K&N, power steering, syempre. Again, the Honda Civic EK sedan. Apo, Zamboanga car culture. Hinatid tayo, Brad. Ayan, oh, shit. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Ingat. Ingat, boss. Ingat. Ingat, boss. Boss. Madam, ingat po. Grabe yun, let's go.